30, class 10th, page number 50, 3.2 exercise, question number 5. The question is saying that half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meters. Find the dimension of the garden. We have to find out the dimension of the garden. See, this is rectangle. Okay. Suppose length is equals to x and breadth is equals to y. Breadth and width it will be equal. Okay, no need not to get confused. Okay, let length is equals to x, breadth is equals to y. In the question it's saying that length is equal to breadth plus 4. Saying length is equal to breadth plus 4. That means length is 4 more than to its breadth. Make it as, take this y towards the left hand side, x minus y is equals to 4. Make it as equation number 1. For the second one, the perimeter, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? Formula to find out the perimeter: perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. Okay, now it's saying half the perimeter of the rectangle. Half the perimeter of rectangle is equal to how much? 36 meters. 2 get cancelled. Now L plus B is equals to 36 meters. What we have taken at the place of L, x, and B, y is equals to how much? 36. Make it as equation number 2. Now we should place this in the graph to find out the length and breadth. Dimension is nothing but the length and breadth of the rectangle. Now we will put in the graph. See, x minus y is equals to 4. We have taken equation number 1. And x plus y is equals to 36. We have taken equation number 2. Make the table in which x, y, x comma y, x, y and x comma y. Now what we should keep at the place of x and y? The answer should be 4. So I am taking here 8 minus 4 is equals to how much? 4. At the place of x I have taken 8. The place of y I have taken 4. That is 8 comma 4. In the second one, at least two point you have to take on the graph to make the line segment. Okay. Now what we should take? Can I take 6 minus 2 is equals to 4? Yes. 6 on x axis, 2 on y axis. 6 comma 2. See, remember one thing, what I have taken, it is not necessary to take this one only. You can take your own numbers, but the answer should be correct. LHS and RHS should be get equal. Okay. Now what I should put on the x and y? So the answer should be 36. Let me take 20 on x axis, 20x and 16y, 36. And second, 16 plus 20, 36. Take 20, 16, that is 20 comma 16, and 16, 20, that is 16 comma 20. Now we will put the points on the graph. In the scale, see, I have taken 2 unit difference, because if I take 1 you can get with the 1 also, but in this graph it is not possible to make 1 difference, so I have taken 2 difference. We will write scale first. Scale on x axis 2 units is equals to 1 centimeter. Each cell is of 1 centimeter. What was the difference I have taken? What is the difference I have taken? 2 units. So 2 units is equals to 1 centimeter. On y axis 2 units is equals to 1 centimeter. Okay. Now what was the first point? 8 comma 4. 8 on x axis, 4 on y axis. That is 8 comma 4. Next, 6 comma 2. 6 on x axis, 2 on y axis. Remember one thing, while putting you should be very careful, because if it is getting little wrong also, total answer will be wrong. So be careful while doing the graph. What was the equation? X minus y is equals to 4. Now next, first 20, next 16. That means 20 should be on x axis and 16 on y axis. 20 comma 16. Next 16 on x axis, 20 on y axis. What it will be? The first one it will be x and second one it is called as y. 16 on x axis, 20 on y axis. Be careful while putting the points. Okay, so 16 comma 20. Now join these two also. What it was? X plus y is equals to 36. Now see where these two are meeting. Where these two are meeting, intersecting. What is the point of intersection here? 20 on x axis and 16 on y axis. So length is equals to x is equals to 20, breadth is equals to y is equals to 16. Already it is said in the question that length is 4 more than breadth. This is our answer. Length is 20 and breadth is 16. These are the dimension of the problem. Thank you.